A lot of things happened. Going abroad, I have achieved for my passport. Well, hello everyone. This is Sanya Bhagat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about figuring out. Yes, you heard it right, figuring out. So, what are we figuring out? I know all those students who have just graduated, many of you must be going abroad, settling somewhere else, and be thinking about your masters. But hear me out, hear me out. I have this long to-do list kind of thing, and I have always thought of doing those. And honestly, I do not have any plans for masters right now. Now I want to take something like I want to explore. I want to know what's going on around. Well, one thing must be in all of your heads, and that is what Sanya is about to do next. I do know that you guys love surprises, and I have one for you. So basically, I have completed my graduation. Okay, so now, as most of you know, that this unpredictable Sanya is on to something, I think it's good enough time to now reveal. Drumroll. I am planning on aviation. Okay, don't get shocked and all. Most of you must be knowing, like the close people who were very close to me in college, is the perfect time to make my dreams come true. And I'm very happy to announce that I have got into Indigo. I went for the interview, and it's not something that has happened just like that, just like a snap. It did take me a lot of courage and a lot of crying sessions, and then here we are right now. There's a long story that I think it is good time to talk about if you are not in a hurry. Long story short, let's just discuss as how we ended up here, what brought me here, and why did I choose Indigo over other airlines. Did I choose Indigo? Before talking about this, I would like to share that this was not just one day a thing. I have been planning on aviation since I was a kid, like back then in 2011 when I did Kuwait along with my father, and that is the very first time that I got introduced to airplane and aircrafts and the culture of aviation. And oh my god, I still get nostalgic while talking about it. This cabin crew came in and attended me because I was a kid, so she made sure that I am comfortable, and she made sure throughout the journey, and she even gave me these small pouches. It consisted of all those cute stuffs. Like, I thought, okay, this girl get paid to like travel from one place to another, and kid. So I thought, why not this? It was like I was so small back then, but still it was somewhere in my mind. College is one thing, but secondly, aviation was always there. College has helped me polish it. College has helped me to believe that if I can put my mind and soul into it, then I can surely get it. Comes the story of Indigo. Okay, this all started happening back then in 2023 from for my passport.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did like 11 months, like seriously kid.
I did a 1 year of Chakkar Kato, and then I got my passport on 5th February, and that day I was crying like hell. I was crying like hell that finally I got my passport and my degree stuff, and it was till July that I was supposed to wait for my examinations, my convocation and stuff. After that, like on June, I started exploring things, and at that moment of time, only Indigo was there who was recruiting, and neither Air India nor any international ones. It's not like pav bhaji stuff that you can do it, you can cook it like that. It takes you a lot of courage, time, and the crowd that you're going to see. Like the first time I went for the interview, it was on May. Oh my god, the crowd was insane. People here in Kolkata was going insane. There was like 700 people, felt like 1,000 people. They were like rushing, and they were so. The first one went very smooth for me. So just like that, in my very first interview with Indigo, I was not able to make it. However, I was selected into PhD, but since I was not sure about it, I never undergo it. The second time that I went for the interview was in Siliguri. Many of you know that, but I went to Siliguri just for the interview, just to crack that interview. One thing that I missed is that I gave Emirates screening for Emirates as well, and the screening went pretty well, and I got a call even. The only criteria was that I was not falling under that 1 year of experience. Not able to make it to the Emirates assessment day, which was happening in Kolkata, and I was not been able to be a part of it. However, I'll always aim for it, if you could say. So I gave one screening for Emirates, and it kind of never happened. They still call me, but again the criteria being that I do not have any customer service experience. For those of you who are willing to do, you must be knowing that the criteria are very strict, and they want 1 year of experience at least, even for attending their assessment day. I went for the second interview, which I mentioned earlier. That was in Siliguri, and they gave us a topic and we were told to speak on it. So it was like, what is your memorable day? For me, I feel that my answer was very good, but for some reason I got rejected in that very first round. And yeah, it was some bhavan, and I went there. The crowd was very like sane crowd, I would say. I got selected along with 2 other members who were sitting there, and we were told to go get our BMI checked. So I went, and I was very dicey again about this BMI thing. Since I wear glasses, so either it's about my eye problem, it's about my visibility, or it's about my BMI. Because I got into it. The BMI was all right, the eye checkup was all good, and I got into the BMI thing. Okay, and these all took a long time. बोलने में बहुत easy लग रही है कि मैं जैसे ऐसे बोली और हो गया कि अरे बस तो यही था, BMI हो गई, first round हो गया, and then that's it. No, there's more. Like first round happened, then the second round happened, which was the BMI and all. Then the third round, and there was also a fourth round. We thought that there will be only third round. No, it was a HR round again, and there were 2 HRs sitting over there, and in the round table the selected candidates were sitting. I was sitting just just beside the HR one, and she goes like, Sanya, tell me something about yourself. Why do you want to join Indigo, and what made you passionate about cabin crew? These were the stuff. And if you're literally into aviation, guys, I don't have to give you examples here like this is the thing that I have told and you can do. No, don't copy paste, because I have not done that for myself. No one was there to teach me. I did my research and I figured out all these queries on my own. like why I want to become a cabin crew, or not always the travel stuff. Indeed it is for me, like I love traveling, and one of which the reasons are being a cabin crew. So the third round went pretty well. After that we had fourth round, and fourth round was again a PI session. Sorry, it was a personal but virtual interview with one of the HRs. One male HR was taking the interview, and one female HR was taking the interview. I went to give the interview to the female HR, and that session went like crazy, because if you remember, as I told in the beginning, in my very first interview, it was the fourth round in which I got fumbled, and due to which I think I got into PhD. But this time I was very concerned. And I was thinking that please सानिया कुछ भी हो जाए इस वाले राउंड पे ना, प्लीज़ कोई गड़बड़ मत करना. So my subconscious mind heard me and it did help me. मैंने इतने अच्छे like उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछे. if HR अच्छे नहीं होंगे ना, if you are not getting someone कि जिनसे तुम वो communication build up ना कर पाओ, then it might be hard for you, tough for you. So she was asking very random questions to everyone, but when my turn came, she asked me, मुझे नहीं पता वो मुझे पहचान गए या क्या, but I think she did. And उन्होंने हम 3 लोगों को, like there were people, पिछली बार फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं हुई थी तब तो वहाँ पे 20 लोग PhD के लिए हुए थे सेलेक्ट. इधर बस 20 लोग, 20 के 20 लोग were there, and these people, इन्हीं में से कुछ PhD को जाते, कुछ डायरेक्ट सिलेक्शन के लिए जाते. एंड आई वॉज सिटिंग देयर, आई वॉज लाइक प्रेइंग टू गॉड, प्लीज़ इस बार कर दो, प्लीज़ इस बार कर दो. इफ़ इंडिगो नहीं हुआ तो आई डोंट नो वॉट. आई वॉज लाइक प्रेइंग, एंड शी कॉल्ड आउट आवर नेम्स. शी हैंडेड अस दिस फॉर्म, ठीक है, डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म होती है, तो मुझे वो पिछली बार भी मिली थी. तो मैंने सोचा शिट, अगेन इन PhD आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस एनी मोर. एंड मैं ऐसा सोच कर कि बस बैठी हुई हूँ, मुँह ऐसा मेरा बना हुआ है. एंड शी टोल्ड मी कि यू, वन मोर गर्ल वॉज देयर, शी इज़ अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन नाउ. सो एंड अनदर गर्ल वॉज देयर, एंड वी गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन दैट राउंड. लाइक 4 of us गॉट सिलेक्टेड आउट ऑफ दैट 20 people. आई वुड से 20 थे कि नहीं मुझे याद नहीं, बट इतने ही कुछ थे नंबर में. और हम 3 थे वहाँ पे, ठीक है, 3 लोगों को डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म दिया गया था. एक का कुछ इशू था तो शी वेंट. तो हम 3 लोगों को डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म, उस डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म में सब कुछ फिलअप करना था. सो वी डिड, एंड वाइल आई वॉज सिटिंग beside that HR and I was writing, I was filling up the form, and she told me, your answers were very nicely formed, I liked it. And that was song to my ear, guys, because वो HR 2 बारी से मुझे देख रही है, और ये उनसे सुनना, वो भी उनके बगल में बैठ करके, दैट वाज सच अ प्लेजर फॉर मी. एंड दैट व्हेन वी 3 वर सिटिंग एक साथ, वी फिल्ड द फॉर्म एंड गेव इट टू हर. बाकी के लोग PhD में गए. एंड आई फील सॉरी फॉर दोज पीपल, बिकॉज आई हैव बिन देयर एंड आई नो द फीलिंग कि भाई PhD में जाना इज़ अ पेन इन दी एस. बट आई वुड से तुम सारे लोग बहुत ही, मैंने सुना तुम सारे लोग बहुत ही डिज़र्विंग लगे मुझे. सो आई थिंक कि इफ़ मेरा हो सकता है, टेक इट फ्रॉम मी, इफ़ फर्स्ट बारी में मैं नहीं कर पाई, सेकेंड बारी में तो मैं फर्स्ट में आउट हो रही हूँ, थर्ड में मैं जाके डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट हो रही हूँ, देन वाई कैन नॉट यू, राइट? यू कैन ट्राई, यू कैन गिव योर लेवल बेस्ट, एंड you don't know in the coming near future, you can ace it, you can achieve what you have always thought of. Okay, so this all happened, and like that I got into Indigo. But the thing just never stops. यहाँ पे ही नहीं, मुझे तो उनके लिए बुरा लग रहा है जो अभी भी उस वेब में फंसे हुए हैं, जैसे कि मैं फंसी हुई थी. पहले बारी में दिया, सेकंड बारी में दिया, एंड थर्ड बारी में. सोचो जो PhD में जाते हैं उनका नहीं होता है, तो उन्हें भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती है. बट इन माई केस व्हाट हैपेंड कि अभी सिलेक्शन हो गई, ठीक है, ये जो थर्ड राउंड में सिलेक्ट हो रही हूँ मैं 2 दिन के बाद मेडिकल्स भी आ जाएंगे आपको, और ये मेडिकल का कॉस्ट पूरा इंडिगो पे करता है फुल बॉडी चेकअप के लिए। तो फुल बॉडी चेकअप गई मैं, अपने बाकी सारे जितने भी कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट हुए थे, मेरी बाकी सारी गर्लीज़ के साथ मैं गई थी, और हम लोगों ने अपना फुल बॉडी चेकअप दिया। उसके रिजल्ट्स आने को कुछ टाइम, हॉस्पिटल होती है वो बहुत जल्दी ही रिपोर्ट बैक कर देते हैं, बट इंडिगो विल टेक सम टाइम, लाइक अ गुड 2 to 3-4 days ऑफ टाइम दे विल टेक टू रिवर्ट यू बैक। उतने दिन के बाद एक रिवर्ट आया, ठीक है, कि आई वॉज नॉट फिट टू फ्लाई, आई वॉज अनफिट। आई नो कि मैं अनफिट आऊँगी बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग वेल फ्रॉम क्वाइट अ वाइल। तो जब अनफिट आई, एंड जो मेरे रिकमेंडेशंस थे, आई डिड इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल, इट वॉज फॉर मी, आई डिड इट, किया मैंने फटाक से। वो मुझे मतलब लाइक आज किया, कल मुझे रिजल्ट्स आए, परसों मैंने कल ही मैंने दे दिया, ठीक है। विद इन अ वीक मुझे रिवर्ट आई दैट आई एम फिट टू फ्लाई, I was fit to fly, and the recommendations were NA, like there were no recommendations from Indigo's doctor कि I have to undergo any other thing. So it was such a relief to, हर एक सिचुएशन में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती ही है। आप लोग बाहर से देख रहे हो, आप लोगों को बस लगेगा कि ओ वाह, एक दिन जाकर के ग्रेजुएशन कर करके ये लो। And I really wish कि someday in the near future I see myself flying international. But for now, I want to gain experience, and this is a good enough experience for me, I feel. And those of you who think that Indigo तो सबके लिए है, तो करके देखो, तुम करके देखो। 21st of June that I was selected. After 2 day after I got the medical. उसके कुछ दिन के बाद I was unfit. Submitting the reports, the right reports, then I was fit to fly again, and it was 8th of July, and it has been like days since then. It's going to be a month now, कि 8 जुलाई को एक month होने वाली है, but still I have not heard from them yet anything. तो बस I know that I am selected, and वो आज नहीं तो कल हो ही जाएगी। अभी देखो, आ नहीं रहा था तो कुछ ही नहीं आ रहा था। मैंने एतिहाद के लिए अकासा के बाद ट्राई किया था, एंड आई वॉज टोल्ड टू गिव वन स्क्रीनिंग इज़ वेल। वर्चुअल स्क्रीनिंग थी, वर्चुअल असेसमेंट था, बट दैट वॉज नॉट लाइक 1-on-1, दैट वॉज कि रिकॉर्ड करके भेजो। तो आई डिड दैट, आई वेंट इन टू दैट वर्चुअल असेसमेंट वाला थिंग, और वट एवर द सेकेंड राउंड इज़, मतलब एक वीडियो इंट्रोडक्शन काइंड ऑफ थिंग, तो उसमें रिकॉर्ड करनी होती है, तो मैंने किया था। उसके बाद आई नेवर हर्ड फ्रॉम देम, बट अगेन यस्टरडे इटसेल्फ अकासा का आया, एंड आई गॉट एतिहाद का इवन। आई डोंट नो हाउ थिंग्स आर वर्किंग फॉर मी। नहीं आ रहा था तो आई वॉज क्राइंग ऑल डे। अब जब आ रहा है तो आई कैन नॉट इवन लाइक गल्प इन की यूनिवर्स क्या कर रहे हो तुम मेरे साथ। सो आई गॉट एतिहाद्स an email mentioning that they are conducting their thing, their what do you say यार, mentioning कि जयपुर में कंडक्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है, और ये फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व है, तो लाइक देयर विल बी वेरी लिमिटेड सीट्स, एंड एक्सपीरियंस का दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड एज सच। सो लेट्स सी, इट्स गोइंग टू बी द वेरी नेक्स्ट मंथ, एंड इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट, आई विल बी more than happy to announce this news as well with you all guys. Yeah, so that was it. I think बहुत चपर कर लिया, और मेरी वीडियो like it's going to be a 20-minute long session or something. I just cannot wait to start my journey with any of the given airline, be it Indigo, Akasa, Air India, whatever it will be. I'm happy to serve, I'm happy to work with them, because ये सारे एयरलाइंस काफ़ी, I'm just hell too excited कि मैं कब फ्लाई करूँगी, कब जाऊँगी, कब you know वो accommodations जो मिलते हैं, एंड देन वो जो 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग होती है, और इंटरनेशनल में तो 1.5 महीने की होती है, बट या इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डोमेस्टिक, देन वो जो 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग होती है, आई जस्ट वांट टू डू दोज थिंग्स, एंड आई वांट सी इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, इफ द ड्रीम दैट आई saw इतने टाइम से was that all worth it or not. Bye guys and love you all. और इतने दूर तक आ ही गए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार. कितना काम करती हूँ मैं. सब्सक्राइब करो.
छः सौ साठ में नहीं होगा.
Chalo, all the best, congratulations. Thank you so much, Arya.